Once upon a time, in the deep south of the United States, a dish was born that would take the world by storm. Fried chicken, with its crispy golden exterior and juicy, flavorful meat, quickly became a beloved comfort food. But behind the tantalizing taste lies a question. Is fried chicken healthy or unhealthy? Legend has it that fried chicken originated in Scotland, where it was first coated in flour and then deep fried. As Scottish immigrants brought their culinary traditions to the United States, fried chicken found its place on Southern dining tables. But let's fast forward to the present and address the health implications of fried chicken. We often find ourselves tempted by the fast food chains like Popeyes. But have you ever wondered about the oils used in their cooking? Most fast food establishments opt for oils high in trans fats, which have been linked to increased risk of heart disease and other health issues. However, we can make healthier choices when frying our own chicken. When preparing fried chicken at home, choose oils like olive oil or avocado oil, which are rich in monounsaturated fats and offer potential health benefits. These oils can be better alternatives to the unhealthy trans fats found in fast food chicken. Moreover, the choice of flour can make a difference. Whole grain or gluten-free flours can provide more fiber and nutrients, making your homemade fried chicken a healthier option. Now, you might be thinking, but what about the crispy, delicious skin? While it's true that the skin adds flavor and texture, it's also where the unhealthy fat resides. So, it's essential to find a balance that works for you. Moderation is key. You can still enjoy the occasional piece of crispy skin fried chicken as part of a balanced diet. Our mission is to provide you with valuable insights into nutrition and health. By subscribing to our channel, you'll join a community dedicated to making informed choices for a healthier life. Help us reach our goal of 1 million subscribers by the end of the year, because together, we can spread the knowledge and empower others to make healthier food choices. So, remember, when it comes to fried chicken, understanding the oils, flour, and cooking techniques is crucial. By making conscious choices, we can enjoy this iconic dish without compromising our well-being. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your fellow fried chicken enthusiasts. Together, let's unravel the mystery and enjoy the best of both taste and health. Subscribe now and stay tuned for more informative videos on nutrition, health, and wellness. Let's reach our goal of 1 million subscribers by the end of the year, because your support makes a difference.